In this video, we're going to have a look at how the PIM, the application platform's PIM, handles brands or ranges. These are very specific, so you can see, we've got sort of audio type brands or well-known fashion ones or whatever. So, this is where you set them up and how you do that. So you're going into admin, and basically you're looking for brands. Before we do that, we're going to work with our set of products. I've just got a view. What I'm going to do is just so you can see another factor. I'm going to add that field to this view so we can see what we're doing a bit more easily. So I'm just going into the view selector. I'm just going to add the field. I'll move it up just so I can actually see it next to there, save it. You can see, go back to our products that we want to have a look at. Got the right codes in. You can see that none of these products have, a brand. So and what we want to do is fill them in here. So the first thing we've got to do is literally just create our brand. So go over to admin, choose the brand menu. You've got this options here. So you can set parent-child type relationships. So what I'm going to do, because this is my demo area, I'm going to set up a parent family called Pharmaceuticals. And then I've created some pharmaceutical ranges. So these four here, which I'm just going to add into the portal. So we'll just add that, call it that. We can select the range that we want to do just by typing in some letters. So brand. So just do save and new. That one. And here you can see, I've set up my parent pharmaceuticals and, I've set up my four items. Next thing is I want to associate these with products. So if I go back to my product list, let's go back, start from scratch, pH 0. Right, and there's my products. Let's just start. So we can do it in two ways. We can either use this, we just go to the product, edit it, and just literally either select from a list. So pharmaceuticals or Boostitone. So we'll see that. So you can just type it in. So select edit. This is octagon. So we just type, bring something up. Do the last two. Humira. And I think there's, so you can start to see we're building up some issues. In these two, I'm going to use the mass update, or I could have imported this field into these records, but I'm just showing you the various ways of being able to do this. So equally, we could have just selected some items. These have both got this product range that we want to update, and I could use the inbuilt mass update facility here. So click on these, select the items you want to do, click on these three little dots, go to mass update, and you'll see that we actually have on the page our brand. So I think it was that one. So what it's doing is saying, please choose these items and any fields that you want to update. I just want to update the brands, save that down. So that's going to just update the two items. So that's how you use brands within or ranges within the PIM.